Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video some stylish ideas of bob haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, attractive and stylish trendy hairstyling, and many much more beautiful ideas, latest ideas, trendy ideas of short hair in bob with attractive hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in bob. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, and very attractive ideas of bob, front to back layered with back undercut, and some ideas with bang in bob, short hair, double side bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, very beautiful ideas of hair dye, charming ideas of hair dye, blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde, and other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown. Some ideas in funky colors. And very attractive collection of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. And many much more beautiful collection of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll bring latest and new collection for you. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.